So I'm going to look at Adobe's Premiere Pro. I am a complete novice when it comes to this piece of software. So I've already imported some footage that I've made. I'm doing a how-to video and I've already applied the footage within the sequence that I need it to be in. So if I drag these little icons along the timeline here, it squishes everything together. It does make it a little bit easier to see what's going on with the entirety of the project. But if you do want to go into a little bit more detail, if you just slide it back down, it drags everything out. So I want to, first of all, cut a clip. I want to remove part of audio on that clip and I want to speed up the part that I've separated from the original piece that I imported it in. So I know exactly which section I want to clip. I'm just going to go to this section, and I recorded this footage knowing that I wanted to do this little bit of editing. And what I'm doing is actually checking through some of the images that I've taken in Meshroom. So I want to show the process that I'm checking for blurry images, and I thought it would be a cool little edit to speed up the process. So this is the clip here in question that I'm going to be editing. And you can see the audio stops here from me speaking. And this is where I start to check. For the rest of this clip, this is where I'm flicking through images. You can see that there's a little bit of audio down here. That's because I was talking to myself. I've decided that I want to remove those little mutterings to myself. So I found earlier I didn't have this little option panel here. If you don't have it, you can always go up to Window, the Windows tab, Workspaces, and then all panels. Alternatively, if you know the shortcuts, it's Alt, Shift, and 1. So I turned all the panels on, and then I had these little actions appear here. So this little razor, the shortcut is C for cut. I want to use that, and I want to cut through this line here. So what that's done, and I'll go back to select, that has separated this one clip into two. So you can see that the audio and the audio down here and the video is linked. You can right click, unlink, and you can see now that I've got the audio and the video has been separated. So I wanted to remove the audio, so I just delete on my keyboard. Now I have this one here. So the effect that I want to do with this portion, I want to speed it up. So the most common way is speed duration if you right click on the clip that you want to speed up. Now I want this to be really quick, so I'm going to put 300. Okay, and you can see straight away that it's shortened that clip, and then everything else has moved forward with that. So if I just go to the end of the one that I've split, and then you can see how quickly it's flicking through. Okay, so you can see that this is where it's split. This is 3 times the speed of what it was. And that's achieved what I was after. And then after this effect has finished playing out, it will just go and play the rest of my sequence.